DIY calcium citrate from seashells. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn ordinary seashells into a powerful, natural calcium solution that your plants can easily absorb. Calcium is an essential nutrient for plants. It strengthens stems, supports healthy leaf growth, and helps prevent problems like blossom end rot in fruits and vegetables. Instead of using chemical fertilizers, this simple DIY method creates calcium citrate, an organic and water-soluble form of calcium that plants can quickly take up. First, collect clean seashells. You can use seashells from the beach or eggshells if seashells are not available. Make sure they are thoroughly washed to remove salt, sand, or organic residue. Next, let the shells dry completely. Once dry, crush them into small pieces or a fine powder. The smaller the particles, the better the reaction. Now, place the crushed shells into a heat-safe container and gently heat them until they become brittle and chalky. This step helps activate the calcium. After that, add fresh lemon juice or any natural citrus juice to the powdered shells. You will notice bubbling. This reaction means the calcium is transforming into calcium citrate. Allow the mixture to sit until the bubbling stops completely. Then strain the liquid into a clean container, removing any solid residue. Your natural calcium citrate solution is now ready. Dilute this solution with water before using it on your plants. Apply it to the soil or use it as a foliar spray for faster absorption. This organic calcium solution helps plants grow stronger, improves fruit quality, and supports overall plant health, without harming the environment. If you enjoyed this natural gardening tip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and effective DIY plant solutions. Happy gardening!